So I got a dash cam. This is a front and rear dash cam with an LCD screen. My wife bought it for me. Thank you so much, because people nowadays don't know how to drive. In the box, this is what we get. And this is the first dash cam I've seen that has a quick release. Like, let's say something was to happen and I don't have to like remove it off the windshield. It just literally pulls out. Okay, so I found a location that I like, which is right behind the mirror mounting point. All right, so step one, you're going to take the 3M sticky thingy off and stick it. And just hold for like, I don't know, like 10 seconds. I bet that should be good enough. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get our wiring and let's do it. It is a cigarette lighter with a USB. That cigarette lighter is what we're going to be using to power the dash cam, so we know that it has to run from here up. Okay, so basically I put the wire up here coming out of this fuse box here. You guys' car should have one as well. Okay, so I had to remove this pillar so I can get some space to run the wire up. Okay, there we go, finally. To see how much exact wire we're gonna need. Putting this trim back. Okay. Still take the wire, feed it through, and then push it in this pocket, which leads into the glove box. Close this cap. Now let's go ahead and plug her in. Powering up, there we go. She has started recording. This dash cam is app controlled, so I can check my phone for the dash cam and live video. So it came with these little wire holder clips, and then you just lock it in place. Perfect. So we're finished with the front. We got it plugged in. Let's work on the back. Okay, so we're going to be mounting it right here. Middle of the rear windshield, running through the right side of the car. Okay, I like that spot. Alrighty, you guys, so we have finished the install of the front and rear camera. That I'm gonna have to figure out something there. I'm gonna put a little bit more work into stuffing that up there. But yeah, so far so smooth. I do have to put another clip here, and we're finished. Good, and then give it light taps. Trim piece. But yeah, the car's back together. Hell yeah, I got the rear dash cam, the front cam. So I flipped the rear view camera facing the inside of the car because it looks dope as hell, but here's some footage of that. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. On to the next.